So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and make a video or like a memory video on your particular iPhone where it's like a year, a month, or a day in review on your device. Now there's a couple ways to do this. I'll show you an easy way and then I'll show you a different way. Now what you can do is you can make your way over into your Photos application on your iPhone. If you have iOS 18, you can swipe down at the very top right over here to find this like memories section. Or you can click on the bars at the bottom to find that memory section too. And what you're going to want to do is you'll see this little option right here. So if you tap on it, it'll go ahead and allow you to see this like year in review or like a different year in review thing. So there might be something where there's like a particular memory that you had like a month in review or a day in review. You will see those things hop up right here. Now what you can also do is you can click on the create button right here. And if you have Apple Intelligence, you can actually tell Apple Intelligence to make like a day of review for this particular day. So if you want to do a fall of 2024, I can tap on this and it will start creating and generating this video for me. So it is actually pretty cool. Now you don't have to just have Apple Intelligence to do this. You can go through and just, do something else. You can just, find a different memory there. But you can also do it this way. And it is actually a really, really cool thing to basically do. So if you want to share this video out, then what you can do is you can click on the top corner right up here. You can then click here. There should be a share button somewhere. So you can go through, share it out, share movie, and that's basically how it's done. So it's very easy, but that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.